Gentlemen, today we're going to be showing how I go about pruning my foxgloves back when they're flowered to hopefully get a second or sometimes even a third year out of them. If you're left to set seed, they normally die back. So you can see the small here, this one I cut back earlier, this one here and stuff, but it's a nice little side shoot, so they'll turn into flowers next year. And these are the apricot ones that I've got from seed, so these will flower next year. As you can see, they're bulking up nicely. I'm going to be planting these in my border. So let's get back to pruning back your foxgloves. It's quite simple. Right, all you need to do is take your clippers like so, and just, you can see the bottom there, cut it as far back to the bottom as you can. So, as you can close up there, just a quick snip, and there you have it. Now the principle is you cut it back so it stops putting its energy into the seeds and starts putting its energy into all these side shoots. Each one of these will produce a stem of its own, so you get some really nice flowers. If you get one that's self-seeding next to it, that'll flower next year. These are a hardy perennial, but they will only come back 2 or 3 years at most. So you'll have to sow some seeds. I try and sow some fresh ones every year. If you've got any questions about foxgloves, don't hesitate to ask. Please subscribe, and if you like, give me a thumbs up. Like I said, any questions, don't hesitate. Thank you very much, and bye.